Women First OBGYN is Hampton Roads' premier health and aesthetics center with online booking, ample free parking, plus evening and weekend appointments. Book your pre-birth baby portrait photo shoot at Women First with our state-of-the-art 3D and 4D ultrasound machine. Share your portraits via email or online with our Hello Mom mobile app. For the new mother or the menopausal grandmother who's experiencing incontinence or other vaginal health issues, Women First offers FemTouch, laser vaginal rejuvenation. For the woman or man seeking a major body makeover, Women First offers minimally invasive Smart Lipo Triplex to remove fat and tighten skin. For the patient who wants to rid their face of ugly crow's feet, laugh lines, or forehead furrows without surgery, Women First offers Pelave. For any patient, male or female, who wants to permanently remove stubborn fat without the complications of surgery, Women First offers Sculpture and Cellulite appointments. For the woman or man of any age who just can't seem to lose weight or maintain weight loss, Women First has individualized guided weight loss programs. With over 3 decades of experience, Women First offers male and female aesthetics, plus all gynecological treatments. Book your health or aesthetic appointment today. Finance options available.